What is up, YouTube? Mad Dog here with Fat Man.
What up?
Now, it is actually 5:20 in the morning, and the skies are about to light up, as you can see. Now, we've been at this since 11 o'clock in the morning. Or not at night, my bad. That's how tired I am, guys.
We're doing
But
this
anyways,
for you guys.
This is a nice change up for where we're at right now. We're not at the quarterway yet, because we are actually going to our second ammo can, which is actually very nice. It's a nice change. This one is called what cache again?
Easy peasy, quick and breezy 3.
Now, we already found 2 of them. The other 2 weren't really as
Easy.
cool as an ammo can. So we're just going over to this one and hopefully we can find it. But the status right now is our minds are awake. Our body, our motor skills are not as willing as they were when we first started.
Almost there.
Okay, cool.
58 feet.
Is it somewhere in this tree?
Yeah.
See if Fat Man can find it.
Right there.
Oh, damn. Alright, let's sit down. And it's actually, she's showing it right here. Looks like there's going to be some, hopefully,
Official geocache on the side.
nice. I love seeing that.
Seashells. Empty bag. We'll pick up all the trash.
Dude, there's a cigarette. Don't smoke, guys. It's a filthy habit, just saying. But I think it's funny that there's a cigarette. Yeah.
Someone's Valentine. No
Uh-oh.
one's mine.
I did find a coin I wanted.
I found a bouncy ball. And hey, it's a little joke between Hey and I. Well, we got views.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so when we were working on his truck, we needed a fuse to make something work. And we could not find a fuse to save our own life. So, that's where we're at. And okay. Whatever that picture is.
And log. Okay.
Ooh, is that a big butt? Log butt?
Yep.
Alright, put me in. Let's see what else is in here. Nothing really too crazy. But it's always good to find a second ammo can, especially for this type of night. Especially what we've been through. We love seeing stuff like that because that just gets our geocache hype back up, because we've been to a bunch of bushes, to a bunch of trees, and a few rocks and a few fence. There was actually a cattle guard one. That was a nice change up, but it was actually in a bush, so can't really complain. But it works.
24. There you go.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna go make sure.
Alright. Alright, so if you liked what you see, please leave a like, please subscribe, comment what you want us to find next time. Hopefully we can find it, but catch you guys later.